Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix verification required on App Store. If you try to purchase app from App Store or try to download free app and showing in pop-up here verification required. So how can you fix this irritating pop-up? So you have to close this page, and after that guys, just simply tap on settings. So just simply tap on your Apple ID banner, just simply tap on payment and shipping option. Okay guys, so firstly you have to make sure that you have given correct information in your payment method. Okay guys, and if you are downloading free apps, then you have to remove your payment method first, and after downloading app just simply add the payment method. If you are downloading or purchasing app from App Store, then you have to make sure that if you have given correct information in your payment method. Okay guys, just simply close this page and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then you have to open settings. Now just simply scroll it down, tap on media and purchase it, go to view account. Now wait some seconds from here. So because it's loading, just simply tap on country origin, and now from here wait some seconds because it's loading. Now tap on change country origin. Now select the country, and if you are downloading app, then and if you are downloading free app, then you can select any country from here. And if you are purchasing app from App Store, just simply select the country in which you have given in your payment method. So you have to select the same country, and now wait some second, and here are the terms and conditions. So you have to read it carefully and just simply tap on agree if you are agree. Again tap on agree and wait some seconds from here. Now here are your payment method. If you have any payment method, just simply select your payment method. I am selecting at none, and here you have to put your billing address. Okay guys, so here you have to put your zip code of city. Just simply put the zip code of your city here. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. Here you have to put the phone number, so you can put fake one as well, and just simply tap on next. And after that your billing address or your payment method will be updated, and you can easily fix your problem. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.